So Dan, I got a question for you, right? So, there's a lot of people out there that don't quite understand what a brand is. Can you help kind of describe that and what it should feel like, what it should look like?
Hey, I love that question because boy, I hear it all the time. I've had about 5,000 plus students now in my career as a coach.
Yeah.
A lot of that was with Entre Institute. Some of it was even before that. But when you ask most people what's a brand, they go, "Well, it's my logo, right? My colors, my logo. Yeah, I've got a brand. It's a car, right? It's a picture of a car." Yeah, no, that's not what your brand is. I mean, that represents your brand, right?
Yeah.
Brand colors, and a good company would be what we'd call a brand standards card, right? Where we'd have a list of your 3 favorite fonts that only when representing out in public, these are the only 3 fonts allowed to go along with our brand. And your colors that are exact down to the colored number. So like I want the blue, so it's B00964. It's that exact shade, and then the
Yeah,
yellow.
that's awesome.
And then it's got the black and white logo and the color logo, and it's got the transparent logo, and then that's your brand standards. But that's really just what represents what people think about your customer experience.
Mm.
What's the experience that they have with you as a business? What is their overall impression of you and how you work? And how much of a leader are you? How much can they trust you? How much do they think you're working towards excellence, or even better, towards legacy? Right.
Yes.
Those are all things that people think of in its subconscious, and they say in 3 seconds they've formed an opinion after meeting you formally. So yeah, to me that's a brand is your customer experience, and then have a cool logo.
And have a cool logo.
It's a good color.
Yeah.